Hi, Mr. Kovac. My name is Paula. I don't believe we've met, but I've been working with your father for some time now. As you might have known, he was diagnosed with dementia a few years ago. It's been getting worse, and last week his doctor recommended palliative care.
This is about taking care of your dad. You're his son. He needs you.